Good morning. Welcome. Thanks for tuning in to Kilat Shari Torah's daily review of Halacha, of Jewish law, for Friday, July 15th. We're talking about Hachana, in other words, preparation, forbidden preparations on Shabbat for the days to follow, for the night to follow, in other words, Saturday night, Sunday, and so on. When you're finished your meal, you may return food to the fridge or the freezer. This is not considered preparing from Shabbos to weekday, just making sure the food doesn't spoil. You may take food out of the freezer. One may remove food from the freezer from Lava Malka on Shabbos, since the food is not fully ready at the time you took it out of the freezer. Therefore, it's not considered preparing Shabbos to weekday. Some poskim are stringent and say you should not take food from the freezer for Malava Malka, for your Saturday night meal. Sleeping on Shabbos. It's a well-known concept that resting, taking a nice rest, a shluf, a nap, chapna dremel, is oneg Shabbos. That's the delight of Shabbos. This is hinted to in the words Shabbat, Shin Beis Tav, which is an acrostic for Shena B'Shabbos Tainog. Resting on Shabbos is a delight. When you go to sleep on Shabbos, you should not say that this is so that I'll be rested for Saturday night, because that would be preparing. However, you can sleep on Shabbos, even if it is your intention to stay awake for whatever the event is on Shabbat. One more point, studying for a test on Shabbos. If a test on a Jewish subject is scheduled for the following week, are you allowed to study on Shabbos? Some say that if you're truly interested in knowing the material, in other words, you're learning it because you have a desire to know, then it is considered a Shabbos need. That's part of your enjoyment of Shabbos, is to study this topic. However, it's questionable if you'd be permitted to study on Shabbos for a test on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, if your only goal in taking the exam is to pass it and get through the class, not actually to know the material. It's permitted to practice a play on Shabbos, but ideally you shouldn't do it. And I think it goes without saying that studying secular subjects for a test after Shabbat is inappropriate Shabbos behavior. We'll leave it there for today. Speaking of Shabbat, we will mention that tonight, this evening, earliest time to usher in the Holy Shabbos is 7:22 p.m. Earliest time to light candles, make Kiddush, daven, Kabbalat Shabbat, and so on. We will not have a minyan in the shul tonight, but if you'd like to daven mincha at 7 and Kabbalat Shabbat after 7:22, hopefully we'll all be together, even though we're in different locations. Actual candle lighting time, 8:38 this evening. That's the actual time to light Shabbat candles. Shachar tomorrow morning, hope you join us at 9:15. The conclusion of Shabbos is 9:48 tomorrow night. Now you may notice that on the calendar, tomorrow, Shabbos, is the 17th of Tammuz, 17th day of the month, Hebrew month of Tammuz, which is a fast day. However, we do not observe fasts on Shabbat unless the Torah specifically tells us to, which the only time that happens is occasionally on Yom Kippur. So, the 17th of Tammuz fast is postponed, delayed to Sunday. We'll observe it on Sunday. It begins very early in the morning, since it's the middle of the summer. The days of the longest begins 2 minutes to 4 in the morning and concludes at 9:49 Sunday evening. We will, let's see, have not received word yet as to whether we'll have a minyan or not, but please check in with me on Shabbos if you're interested, and we'll certainly let you know at that time if there will be a minyan for either Shacharis or Mincha, or both for the fast day. Everyone should have a wonderful Shabbos and a meaningful and good, solid fast. Have a good day and a good Shabbos.